Are you ready for a transformative career opportunity? Look no further than Magic Laundry Services, Southern California's premier hospitality laundry provider.
Well, we're primarily a COG processor, from anywhere from bed sheets to bed terry to spa linen to food and beverage to wardrobe services, anything in the hotel we service.
At Magic Laundry Services, excellence is our standard. With 4 cutting-edge facilities, we cater to the needs of the hospitality industry, serving top-tier clients. We believe in empowering our team members to reach their full potential. That's why we offer a comprehensive benefits package, including health insurance, 401k retirement plans, and wellness programs, prioritizing your well-being and professional growth.
What I love about Magic Laundry Services is they give you the opportunity to grow, to keep pursuing for more.
Every year, every day, I've been here at Magic Laundry Services, I learn.
I've gained so many knowledge of the equipment, how to operate the equipment.
Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career journey, Magic Laundry Services offers a supportive environment where your skills and talents can shine.
All of our employees have been here for many, many years, and they all feel like family.
It's a family business, and we want to treat people as family.
If it wasn't for our staff, if it wasn't for our people, we wouldn't be where we're at. If we don't have them, we're not moving forward.
Join us today and become part of the elite team at Magic Laundry Services.